Alright folks, it's that time again, and we're going to go exploring. The weather's finally cooled down enough that we feel comfortable with doing that. And, you know, we just get kind of bored. So, what the heck, let's go see what we can find. So the area we're going to head to is back out in the Sonoran Desert. We're going to try and find a place called the Old Quarry. And hopefully we can explore not only with just the truck, but we're going to take the drones as well and see what we can find out there with the drones. So it's me and my trusty partner over here, and we're going to go do this thing. So let's get on the road and see what we can find. Alright folks, this is our first shooting area. Beautiful area. Great to see. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Got my spotter. Say hi. Hi, spotter. And there's the truck all set up. So one thing folks, with the new FAA rules with the remote ID, well, I now got to hook this to my phone, even though we're in the middle of nowhere, so that remote ID works. So give me a second while I comply with US FAA laws. Road runner.
wish I would have caught it on film, but that little Avata is tough as hell, man. You'll see where I was coming down and I hit a freaking tree and it threw it out of control, and then it basically tumble-wheeled across the ground. But I dusted it off. I have a can of compressed air. I blew it off, and guess what? All good to go.